Hello everyone. Today we are going to write code for reversing a 3-digit number using arithmetic operator. Let's start writing. As you can see, first we have to assign a variable number with value 1 to 3. To assign a variable, first we have to write the name of the variable number, then assign its value. Next we are going to find the modulus of the number, so we can assign the last digit to a. So a is equal to number and modulus, because we want the remainder of number, so we are going to divide by 10. After that, what we are going to do, we are going to divide and save it again in number. For this we have to write number is equal to, because we are saving the division of the number by 10 into number, so we are going to write number first, then equal to, then division of number 10. We are going to do floor division. Why are we doing floor division? Because when we divide number with some number, it only gives a floor number. So when we divide 123 by 10, it will give only 12, not 12.3. Next step is declaring b and assigning the last digit. So when we are doing this, then again division of number, floor division and 10, and we are declaring c and assigning the last digit in the number modulus 10. Next, what we are going to do, we are going to create the number. For this we are going to do what? A is into 100 plus b into 10 plus c into 1 and print the number. For printing the number, we have to write the syntax print, then braces, then number. Here, whenever we are printing the variable, we don't use quotes only used for strings. Let's hit the run button. As you can see, our number is reversed. The initial number is 123 and now reverse number is 321. From this video we understand, whenever we want to find the last digit of the number, we do modulus by 10, and if we want to remove the last digit, we do floor division by 10.